objects I cannot accept, touching the sun of your soul.